So we are working on the Volvo today. So we're putting on the new clutch master cylinder. Just replacing my old one which is in there because I have a massive crack that runs all the way around. So we're going to be swapping that over today. So first thing I want to do is just disconnect the actual line. Got a little tub down there just to catch the clutch fluid. Get that out of the way. From the underneath of the car, it's quite simple actually. You can see there's two bolts. We've got one bolt here and then just one bolt at the top. That takes the cylinder off. Another bolt here which then bolts it to the actual pedals. So I've just taken off the first nut and I'm just starting to undo the next one. So then that should pop the screw out. There we go. Now that's loose, I can take off the two bolts. So I've now got the two nuts out. They are two 13mm nuts. And then the one that goes through there was 12mm. Should be able to just pull it out. I say shit. There we go. Just like that. So from the new one, just as a comparison. I think just where they've updated it, we'll put this one in and just reverse order of how this one came out. So I've just taken out the bolts from the old one, put it in the new one. I'm just going to slide it in. My phone's going. Put the bolts back on. Must admit, I did have someone help me just hold the bolts to the other side, just because whenever I was trying to put the nuts on they kept popping through. So you could always wedge something the other side, but it was just easier for me to grab someone to help me. So all I'm going to do is reattach . So now that's all in place, I'm just going to go to the shops and get some clutch fluid because I haven't got any, and then I will top up the levels and start bleeding the clutch. So yeah, I hope this helps anyone who's looking to do the same thing on their 240. The 240s obviously all share the same sort of platform, so it should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy it.